Hello, I'm here today to teach you how to use your MacBook to take a picture of your worksheet or other papers that you have printed so that you can upload them for your assignment. The first thing that you'll need to do is up in the top corner next to your Apple, you should see the word Go. When you click on Go, you should find your applications folder listed here. Click on Applications folder and you will see all the applications that are on your laptop. We are going to be using a program called PhotoBooth. Scroll down till you see PhotoBooth. Once you see it, double click on it to open up PhotoBooth. Now the first time you open PhotoBooth, it may ask permission to use the microphone and the camera from your computer. Please give it access by saying yes. Now to help us out, we are going to hit the green button to expand our window. Now, PhotoBooth allows you to do two things. It allows you to take a still picture, but then it also allows you to record movie clips if you need to. So we're going to work today on a still picture. So with the camera on, I will hold up my worksheet. So just pretend that I've already done this work and I wanted to show it to my teacher. Now, as you can see, the picture is backwards. Don't worry about that. The teachers can work through that. Now that you have it held up there, at the bottom, you'll see the picture of the camera. I'm going to click it. It's going to count down and still give me time to move it where I need to. I have taken a picture. Then if you have another page, turn to the next page. I want you to notice with this page, I might not be able to fit all my work into one photo. So I may have to take a picture of the top. Then move it up a little bit and then take another picture. Depending on your work, there may be 2 to 3 pages or 2 to 3 images that you need to take. Once you have all your images down here at the bottom, you can click on each one to see if these are the images that you want. If you had messed up on one and did not need it, you can just click on this little X to remove it. Now, in order to have it ready to upload to Canvas, you will need to click the green button to minimize it a little smaller again. And then all I have to do is click on that picture and drag it to my desktop. Do you see how my arrows turned into a plus? And drop it. Click the next one and drop it. So now you will see right here on my desktop, I have 2 photos listed here. Now when you are in Canvas course and it asks where you want to get your photos from that you're going to upload for your assignment, you should be able to choose desktop and then your 2 photos are right there that you can click to upload. Good luck!